Ayan, they are taking lunch because now they are ready to go back. They are going in Rawalpindi or Islamabad. So I tell them to take lunch first before they go because I think 4 hours travel Rawalakot to Rawalpindi. So must be they have food in stomach so that they're not feel hungry.
Thank you about the food.
No, thank you for what
everything.
must be. This is only simple lunch. Chapati, white rice, and this biryani last night, and today fried vegan. And this one, I don't know, this kind of curry, vegetable curry. Yung ano ba, yung sukinesis, suksini, ano ba pag-pronounce niyan? Sukini, ano ba yan sis pag-pronounce?
What kind of
this sukini.
Yeah.
This alura.
Yeah.
This maro. Yung lambi, yung hole, yung ano
Same,
nga, to, yung
same for the kusa. Like,
yeah.
Kusa.
This like tori.
Yeah, tori.
Sa tawag sa atin, opo.
Yeah.
Like opo, pero iba ito. Hindi ko alam kung tori. This similar to tori.
Yeah.
Suksini sis, sukini, ano bang pag-pronounce diyan? Maro.
I don't know.
Oo, basta yan na. Yan yung lunch nila. Kau na, ama ay atif. Sabsi ba no? Sabsi?
Sabzi kasi?
Tama po doon.
Ayan, they are taking lunch. Brother Marov, sis Yasmin, yung pamangkin nila si Atif, at ito yung anak nila si Abdurrahman. Ayan. Now they are ready to go in Rawalpindi, not in their village.
Sacrifice again sa bus. My God.
Sana wag ka nang
Bibili ako medicine doon.
Diyan sa Rawalakot.
Hindi ako bumit.
Brother, take this eggplant, fried eggplant. Ayan.
I want only bread. Bread.
Yeah, bread. What bread?
Wait, sliced bread?
No, toast bread.
Toast bread. You like it? I will make it.
Don't give na food, auntie.
Yung bahay nito ay sa Karachi. Karachi. Ito na yung sasakyan nila. Ayan sis, sis, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Ito yung sasakyan nila.
Hi.
Sige. Ingat
Bye
kayo
bye.
sa biyahe, Sige.
Ganda na bahay.
Yan,
My God.
Rawalakot City. Yan yung Rawalakot City. Ito na yung sasakyan nila punta ng Rawalakot City. And then magra-ride sila ng car going to Rawalpindi, Islamabad. And then mag-stay sila doon hanggang 15 yung flight nila going to Dubai. Ayan na sis. Yan. Okay brother, okay Allah peace.
Salamat.
Salamat sa inyong pagpunta dito.
Kita rin tayo.
Sige.